Hi, my name is Rahul. I come from Dubai, but I study in here, Thiruvananthapuram. So I was in a road accident a year ago, exactly a year ago. I faced a lot of trouble, like apart from my physical injuries, I faced broken tooth. One of my tooth was fractured, and I went to a clinic nearby, a small clinic where I got the preliminary test and everything done. But what they said was the teeth is gone, and I had to either remove it or keep the existing teeth. So what they suggested was to keep the teeth, and I did that, but I faced a lot of difficulties. Like from probably the next week, I started facing pain and all. So after a month from this treatment, my mom suggested me another doctor, which is a doctor in Dubai. So he suggested me a doctor in Trivandrum, that is Dr. Segin from Kamala Dental. Dr. Shamil suggested me this doctor. So then I came here, and what happened here was completely magical. Like from a fractured tooth, Dr. Segin suggested me an implant, which was the only option left, and I decided to do that, and completely satisfied with the treatment. And now I walk out from here happy, complete man. Like completely satisfied with the treatment, and everyone here was so supportive, and they were all honest with the treatment, and they all were completely supporting and good. So yeah, thank you for the treatment.